All right, so if you've ever had this amazing idea for a 2D game, but the thought of all that grinding work just stopped you in your tracks, then you're going to want to see this. We're going to be talking about a tool called Ed. And honestly, it's all about making level design faster, way smarter, and just a whole lot more fun. Let's dive in. You know that feeling, right? You get that spark, that amazing vision for a game. Maybe it's this huge pixel art kingdom, or I don't know, a spooky side-scrolling forest where there's a secret behind every tree. You can see it all so clearly in your mind's eye, the levels, the characters, every little challenge. And then you sit down to actually make the thing. And oh man, reality hits you like a ton of bricks. You're just placing every single tile, one by one. You're jumping back and forth between your art program and your level editor. And that creative spark, it starts to fizzle out, right? It just gets buried under all that tedious work.
Well, this is exactly where Ed comes into play. Think of it as your creative toolkit. It's built to just smash through those roadblocks between your awesome idea and actually getting it made, so you can focus on the fun part, the design. And this right here, this is its core mission, straight from the folks who made it. It's not just about building levels. It's about prototyping. It's about bringing your ideas to life fast, whenever and wherever that inspiration hits. And believe me, when they say anywhere, they are not kidding. I mean, seriously, just look at this list. We're talking Windows, Mac, desktop, tablet, even your iPhone. So you could literally start blocking out a level on your main rig and then tweak it on your tablet while you're on the couch. That is some next-level flexibility. Okay, so being on all those platforms is cool, but that's not even the best part. The real magic of Alm, it's all about the smart automation. This thing is designed to take all that repetitive, boring work right off your plate so you can stop being a tile placer and start being a designer. All right, first up, these rule-based brushes. So picture this. You're drawing a grassy cliff. Normally, you'd have to manually pick every single corner tile, every edge piece, right? It's a pain. With this, you just draw. You just paint the shape of the cliff, and Edis is smart enough to know which tile goes where. It just figures it out for you. It's incredible. And then there's this, which is just a massive, massive time saver. It's called Auto Terrain. You give it one simple sprite, just one. And from that one little piece of art, it generates the entire 47 tile set. All the corners, the edges, everything you need for a complete, natural-looking world. It can even add little details like flowers or rocks for you, automatically. Okay, this next one, AutoBrush, is a total game changer for prototyping. So you can just block out your whole level with simple, ugly squares, right? Get the gameplay and the flow just perfect. And then, once you're happy with it, bam, AutoBrush transforms those boring blocks into a beautiful, detailed environment. And the best part, you can swap out the entire art style with a single click, no redrawing anything. So, what does all this automation really mean? It's simple. It means you can stop the boring, repetitive drawing and redrawing and start designing. You get to jump straight to the fun part, making cool, interesting, beautiful levels. Now, you might be thinking, okay, all this automation is great, but do I lose control? And the answer is absolutely not. Ed is also a super deep, powerful tool for serious work. Let's look beyond the automation and check out the creative firepower it gives you. So you've got full control here. You can do multi-layer level design, for foregrounds and backgrounds. It even has onion skinning so you can see other layers while you're working. You can fully customize your boards, the grid size, parallax scrolling for that cool 3D depth effect. You can create complex patterns, and, this is awesome, it has a pixel art editor built right in. You never have to leave the app to create or edit your art. How cool is that? Okay, a cool tool is one thing, but it's useless if it doesn't actually fit into your real-world workflow, right? Well, the people behind Edge totally get that. They've built it to slide right into a professional game dev pipeline. So when you're done creating, how do you actually get your level into a game engine? You've got two great choices. First, you can export directly to Unity. It'll generate everything you need, slice sprite sheets, data files, all ready to go. Super easy. Or you can export to a standard JSON file. This is amazing because it means you can use your levels in pretty much any engine out there. Godot, GameMaker, even your own custom engine. All right, so you're probably thinking, this sounds pretty awesome. How do I get it? Let's talk about how you can get your hands on Ed and start building. You've basically got two main ways to buy it. You can grab it on Steam, which is super convenient, right? It's right there in your library with all your games. But you might find better deals and bigger discounts on other official sites that sell game keys. So it's that classic choice. Do you want total convenience, or do you want to hunt for the best possible price?
So here's a little pro tip for you. If you want the absolute best price, you just got to be a little patient. Keep an eye out for those huge seasonal Steam sales, the summer sale, the winter sale. Or follow the developer directly. That's usually when you'll find the best deal. But check this out, this is probably the best part. There's a way you can try it completely risk-free. Thanks to Steam's refund policy, you can just buy Ed, play around with it for up to 2 hours, and if you decide it's not for you, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. It's pretty much a free 2-hour full access demo. There's literally no reason not to try it. So really, when you think about it, with all the boring stuff automated and all these powerful creative tools right there for you, the only thing left holding you back is your own imagination. Which really just leaves one last question, doesn't it? What world are you going to build first?